From WFAA TV, Channel 8, this is Good Morning Texas.
And are you getting a good night's sleep? Do you have a snorer in your life? Or maybe you are the snorer yourself. Dr. Craig Schwimmer will join us. He is the medical director of the Snoring Center. He's going to let us know what your options are if you are indeed not getting a good night's sleep due to snoring.
Why do snorers always deny being snorers?
I don't know. I'm going to ask him that too.
Okay.
Good question. All right, is snoring ruining your life? Still to come, Dr. Craig Schwimmer with the Snoring Center helps us understand some treatments for snoring. In the past, treatments to help control snoring included a hospital stay and a long recovery. Now, patients can be treated in a single office visit and be back at work the same day. Dr. Craig Schwimmer, who is the medical director of the Snoring Center, he's here to explain these different procedures. Good morning, Craig. How are you?
Good morning, Amy. Great. How are you?
All right, please remind us what the Snoring Center is and what services you provide.
The Snoring Center is a unique medical practice that's dedicated exclusively to treating snoring and sleep apnea using minimally invasive, minimally uncomfortable, very convenient treatments in the office that allow people to come and get treated and go back to work.
Which is key.
It's very, very important to people.
And remind us also why sleep is so important and that it's not something that we should just pass off as a waste of time.
Oh, sleep is terribly important to our well-being and to our ability to function normally in life. I mean, it's a basic biologic need. You know, I like to say that we come from the factory with the expectation that we'll spend a third of our lives asleep. And if we don't, we suffer in so many ways. And so it's really terribly crucial.
Productivity, it becomes dangerous certainly if you're...
Absolutely. We've talked about sleepy drivers. We've talked about the impact of sleep deprivation on work performance. We've talked about its impact on emotions and relationships. And we've also talked about its effect on health and well-being and the role that sleep apnea can play in terms of high blood pressure and the risk of stroke and heart attack and a whole host of serious medical problems.
And one of the reasons we stay awake oftentimes is because we snore or someone in
Somebody
our
next
lives.
to us is snoring.
Yeah, someone is snoring.
Yes.
And why do you think it is that we're such in denial? Like Brenda was saying earlier, people who snore say they don't snore, and maybe if they even are aware of it, they don't seek treatment. They think it's a part of life.
Well, I think that part of it is that they're asleep and so that they may not experience it and they're not aware of it, and they really need to listen to their bed partner because as we've talked in the past, snoring really does impact your bed partner's sleep, and so it can really cause problems in the relationship. I think that another big part of the reason why people have been reluctant to get treated in the past is that what we used to do to people to treat snoring and sleep apnea was very invasive, very painful. It involved a trip to the operating room and a general anesthetic and significant time off from work and a really lengthy, painful recovery period, and it's hard for people to get excited about that.
Right.
And what's changed really is the introduction over the past 4 or 5 years of significantly less invasive, less painful treatments that are just as effective that can be done in the office using local anesthetic, and literally now people can come in during lunch and get treated and go back to work, and that's made a huge difference for people.
So local anesthetic is something that allows you to go off with your day. A general anesthesia is something that's a little bit, you're completely out, right?
Yes, yeah, general anesthesia is, you know, what you see on TV when they take somebody to the operating room and they put the mask on their face and then they put the breathing tube in.
And they're out cold.
And they're out cold, and that's a big deal. Local anesthesia is what you get when you get a filling.
Wow.
You know, it's just a little shot, and that's all that's required for the treatments that we perform now is to numb the area that we're going to treat and then back to work.
Well, let's talk about one of the key procedures you perform. You perform the most pillar procedures in the country, and this is a really advanced technology.
The pillar procedure has really changed the landscape. It is an FDA-approved treatment for snoring and sleep apnea that's done in the office that is as effective as surgical treatment, but requires a 20-minute office visit. And I'm happy to say that the Snoring Center has performed more pillar procedures than anybody else in the world. And in fact, we now perform some 85% of all the pillar procedures performed in the state of Texas.
Wow. Okay, so this is a big deal. You know what you're doing over there.
We do a lot.
So you are literally in there for an hour or less?
Or less.
Or less doing this procedure. And what is it exactly that you're doing?
The pillar procedure is, and we've demonstrated that to folks in the past, where we numb up the palate with a local anesthetic and then place 3 little implants into the soft palate to stiffen it and decrease its motion. And that is a very popular procedure because it is so effective and so minimally invasive.
And not snoring can save your life.
Oh yeah. And your relationship.
And your relationship. And you can get a good night's sleep.
Yep.
And also, we've talked a little bit about tonsils before, too, and removing of the tonsils has become so much easier now, too.
Well, and the thing that kept many people from having tonsillectomies in the past is that it involved a trip to the operating room, a general anesthetic,
and
2
a
weeks,
lot of recovery and pain.
A very painful 2-week recovery period, and the Snoring Center is now the only place in Texas to offer an awake, in-office laser tonsillectomy, which allows us to give patients the benefit of a tonsillectomy with a 30-minute, minimally invasive procedure done again under local anesthetic, and people return to work the next day.
You know, that motivates anybody to go in, at least have a consultation, find out more information about it.
Well, it's just made it so much easier for people to get the treatment that they really need.
Right. All right. Well, Dr. Craig Schwimmer, thank you so much for being here, helping us all get a better night's sleep.
It's good to see you.
For more information about getting a better night's sleep, log on to snoringcenter.com or call 214-369-2345. Gary, Brenda?
Hey, you still got your tonsils?
I do.
Yeah, I do too.
And my adenoids. Because a
Healthy.
lot of people, yeah.
Wow, I learned something about you today.